Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download Call of Duty of Warzone 2.0 on PC for free. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from a laptop, just open Chrome browser and just search callofduty.com. So once you type a Call of Duty, this is a Call of Duty official website. There will be a Call of Duty of Season 1 Warzone 2.0 will be there. Just click here for learn more. Once you click here for the learn more, the Warzone will be open here. So this is the Season 1 battle pass, everything will be there. So once you scroll down, play free now will be there, so you can play with a PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net and stream. So now I just want to share this one as a stream model. Just click here for the stream. Once you click the stream option, it will ask you for verify your date of birth. So just choose your date of birth. It should be around 2000 or 2001 because it should be reached above 18 years old. So just choose your date of birth and click view page. Once you click the view page, automatically Call of Duty Warzone will be open here. So it will give the screenshot, every details will be given over here. So just scroll down, you will get option called play Call of Duty Warzone. It will be free play game in Windows. Just click here for the play game. So it will ask for got stream, yes stream is installed, or no stream is not installed. So no, I need a stream. So once you click means automatically it will ask you for the installation of streaming option. Once you select the installation stream, just click install stream. So if you select the double click on the install stream, the stream setup will be open here. Just double click and run the stream option. So just click here for the run theme. So once you select the stream, just click the next option. It will ask the language, just choose English language, just click the next option and install your stream. Yes, as you see, I have installed stream successfully. So this is a stream option. So you need to scan your account or account, you can sign in with your account. So if you have a free account, you can create a free account. So using your Gmail account to create your free account. So just give your email ID, confirm your email ID and give your password details. So just open your email account and verify with from your email account. So you will get your verification code from the email account. So once you verify, automatically stream will be open here. So it will ask for the stream account and details. I just give my name and my password. So I just give and continue and install your application. So it will take time to installation process. It will take around 40 minutes to install your gaming. So once you install successfully, you can play and access your entire game for Call of Duty. It's free in Windows as well as Mac and Ubuntu. So use this option to create your gaming stream and work in the gaming. So online people is there and playing now should be there, so you can play and have a good entertainment with the Call of Duty. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.